Governor, past Governor of the Territorial Council, Founder President, Area Governor, Toastmasters and guests. Last evening, I was browsing through the visitors group at Sunshine Toastmasters. I saw my name as an entry on 15/3/2007. I remember the day I walked in as a hesitant visitor into the first floor hall of Banjara Toastmasters. I never thought I'll be a president of this club one day. My sincere thanks to my mentors, Mr. Satyanarayan Raju, T.K. Ramesh, and Mr. Kumaran. My sincere thanks to all the members. From 2005-2006 onwards, for 5 times in a row, we have the tradition of winning President's Distinguished Club Award. Last year, all thanks to the support of our area governor, we have far exceeded the requirements of President's Distinguished Club Award. Coming to this year, just 2 weeks over, we have already met 3 goals out of 10. Should we be satisfied with this? No. Let us achieve the remaining 6 goals as quick as possible and receive the Golden Gavel Award from the district. Leading by example is the best way of motivation. The last tenure, I completed my ACB in 3 months. Immediately after that, I got the commitment from 4 new members to finish their CC by the end of October, and they are already on track. The debate contest which we had last month had improved the cohesiveness among members. In the next 6 months, we will be seeing more such contests and team efforts. And we will be inviting eminent Toastmasters from district to give special education programs. Coming to the public relations, during the tenure of Mr. N.R. Sridhara and Mr. Bhaskar Jyotidas as VPPR, we had religiously released the club newsletter every month. Mr. Bhaskar Jyotidas set up a wonderful website for the club. He brought in the electronic way of registering speaking slots and the electronic way of electronic notice board to the club. Mr. Chinmayananda brought in the practice of recording the speeches and putting it in the YouTube. My sincere thanks to the efforts done by these eminent Toastmasters. We build upon the efforts built up by these eminent Toastmasters and develop a public relations program further. This committee is determined to release periodically the newsletter. We will be revamping and updating the website with current information shortly. And we are planning to link our Twitter and Facebook account and the YouTube channel to the website so that any visitor to the website can naturally go to these areas. And we are planning to increase the visibility in the local media and in the vicinity of Atinagar. Coming to the membership, during my past 2.5 years in the committee, I have seen large fluctuations in membership. From 28, we went up to 47, then we came back to 37, and with the consistent effort of the last committee, we are back to 41. Our consistent effort will be to maintain the membership at 55 we are starting all the practices, good practices which worked well in the past to achieve this. Coming to the finances, we have a qualified finance professional as our CFO. He had promised me to bring in the professional accounting and auditing practices into the accounts of Sunshine Toastmasters. For improving the fund position, we are planning to conduct one speechcraft and one YLP during this tenure. I have given a gist of my committee's plan for the next 6 months. I always remember this parable from the Bible. A shepherd had 100 sheep. One evening, he was bringing back the sheep from the pasture land to his sheepfold. He realized one sheep is missing. Leaving all the 99 sheep in the security of the sheepfold, he walked back miles to recover one sheep which was stuck up in thorn and thistle. The primary asset of Toastmasters program is the progress of individual member in communication and leadership track. It is my commitment to walk that extra mile to make this success possible for each and every member, Toastmasters.